Welcome to the stroll around the Cookson 50 Endless Game. 2004 boat, built in carbon by Cookson, very much optimised. The keel has been optimised by increasing the canting angle, the new hydraulics in the bottom. So we start off on a sunny day in Naples. Just a quick stroll round the pontoon for an overall view of the boat. Vesuvius in the background for those with a geographic slant. We'll start the stroll at the bow. You can see the bowsprit has been removed at the moment. This is because the boat is just getting ready to come out of the water for the winter. Back down the foredeck to the retractable canard. This is dropped out every year, serviced and maintained well. Back to the mast, we have the Garmin displays there. The boom again is off and down below due to her getting ready to be hoisted ashore. The side decks have been repainted in 2019. The coach roof has not, but is in excellent condition anyway. Here we have either side of the companionways, the B&G FFDs. These are older, H2000 FFDs, but the processor down below is of the very latest. Here we have a unique feature. We have the powered winches, 3-speed powered winches, but they're also operable wirelessly, so the trimmers can stand at the back of the boat and trim. Over to the starboard helm, a carbon wheel painted in a silver. We have an autopilot for the boat. Controls are down there on the starboard side. Those 3 buttons are the keel mechanism. They're the original buttons, and now they've been replaced by this panel for the trimmer, for the keel and other hydraulic. You can start the engine from on deck, you can stop the engine, and you can use the buttons to control the keel. Up to the 2-spreader carbon rig. She has a wide top mainsail, so a double backstays. All the rigging is in date and well maintained. Diving down into the interior, the USP of this yacht, compared with the other Cookson 50s, is the galley has been removed from the centre line of the boat. That gives enough room to store sails either side of the keel. She has 4 pipe cocks per side, 8 in total. Up to the bow area, we have the bow cabin. You can cruise these boats should you wish. There's a watertight bulkhead into the front area. Underneath the berth there is a custom made strengthening piece there for the hydraulic ram, which is on the end of the forestay. So the yacht has hydraulically operated forestay length as you are sailing should you wish. It's a bit dark up there, but you can just see the yellow forestay pennant. Moving back in the boat, we have the transducers on the centre line, just in front of the mast. The Cookson 50s have a very comfortable heads compartment for storing wet gear for the heads and making life a bit more bearable offshore. Further back in the yachts, you have the trunking for the canard, and just behind that the mast with the adjustable mast foot, the internal mast jack, the carbon life raft there. Below the bunk we have the water maker. Into the hatch is the mechanism for the canting keel. You can see there the bearing, the top of the keel, the head, and the new upgraded stainless ram with a titanium body. As I said before, the canting angle of the keel has been increased from the standard yacht to 40 degrees. And here we have the galley, still very usable offshore, the sink, the cooker and the fridge. And on the opposite side, an excellent space for the navigator. She has twin screens, so you can have weather and chart, and also a backup chart plotter on the side there. Engine controls are down below, but also, as I said before, operable at the helm. So 4 pipe cots each side, and in the centre of the yacht we have hydraulic manifolds, PLC, hydraulic reservoir and a fuel tank. On the starboard side of the yacht there you can see the backup panel for the hydraulics, which includes the keel should you need to. There we have the PLC unit for the keel mechanism. So there we have a very quick walk around of the Cookson 50 endless game.